What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, I'll be showing you how to fix startup repair couldn't repair your PC on Windows 11 or 10. Now, if this shows on your screen, click on the advanced options and then click on troubleshoot. After that, click advanced options. Now try again to choose Startup Repair and see if it can automatically fix the issue. But if not, then click again on Advanced Options, then click Troubleshoot, then choose Advanced Options, but this time choose Uninstall Updates. Then you can choose to uninstall latest quality update or the latest update feature, because maybe with this latest update, it is the cause of the error, so it's recommended to uninstall this. So for now, let's go to the command prompt. Then type this command. Then press enter. Wait for it to finish checking the disk error on your system. After that, type this another command. Next is enter this command. After that, type this another command. If it says access denied, don't worry. It only needs a higher permission to do that. So just ignore it. Then exit the command prompt. Then go back and click continue to restart the computer. Now this should be able to fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.